Balling on a budget production.
We're the last of the cowboys, giddy up gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse James, a modern day outlaw gang. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition, diesel's running through our veins. Our daddy showed us the ropes, we were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling, we're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys, the giddy up gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed.
Alright guys, what's up? Today we're going to be doing a couple different things. I'm going to go ahead and remove my side panels. I already got one side removed. I'm going to go ahead and remove the other side. That we get my new panels mocked up. And I'm going to be taking apart my side panels. Gonna start on that. Show you guys right quick. Don't see the mess. We're taking off these panels right here. No good. All along here. Taking all those off. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start moving these. These have a lot of little bolts up here. They're like every couple inches, so that's a pain in the ass. I took the other one off already and that wasn't pleasant. So I'm gonna go ahead and start up on this one. Let me get the shit I need and we'll get to it. Oh, there they are. Where the fuck is it? There it is. Then, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah.
Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. Harder, better, faster, stronger. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever.
Finally finished up. Let me go ahead and show you. Obviously, this side, nice and clean. And the other side, also nice and clean. No more panels. Now it's nice and clean. No wires hanging. Nothing except for that, but it's fine. Have lights inside the truck, same ones but clear and new. We'll go ahead and replace both of those on each side. And yeah, show you that once I'm done with it. Guys, let me show you what we've done. Absolutely nothing. Still the same because I haven't done shit. Alright guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be putting my side panels on for my truck. We got the aluminum sheets here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you that right now. We're gonna get try to get the shape of it. That way we can get them mocked up, bend them how we want them. And once we get there, go ahead and cut out the fuel cap where it's gonna sit. That way it doesn't hit. And yeah, after that we're gonna be, yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll see. See if they fit. If they fit, get them painted, bolt them up, and should be good. Hopefully it doesn't take that long, but you never know. So we'll see. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that right now. How we're gonna mock them up, get them bended up, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, guys, these are the sheets of aluminum we got. They're pretty flexible. There's these as well. Anyways, yeah, these are gonna be, these two sheets are gonna be for the cab, and these two sheets are gonna be for the sleeper. You gotta mock it up on the truck, see where the bends are gonna be, go from there. There's the driver's side. Obviously it's upside down. It's the back of the cab, the back of the sleeper side, and that's where it curves in and out where the old stack used to go. We already got it kind of bent, got a rough shape of it, and then it's upside down, but when you flip it the other way, we're gonna have the cutout go like that for the cap when we get fuel. Always not in the way. Here we're marking it up. There you go, perfect. Got the measurements, got it lined up, the roundness. You gotta cut that out.
That's for the fuel tank.
Yep, for the fuel cap, and we should be good. Well, one side done. Did it?
Clean it up.
Nice. You just down. Oh shit. Now we just gotta just sand down the edges. You'll be good.
Down the edges or what?
I'm gonna down the edges.
You know how we do.
There you go. Cap panels. Brother cut it out, and he just literally finished making. Oh, still hot.
Yeah.
Just got done making those holes. The hose. And there's the other one. That one's already bent to go by the sleeper. Still gotta bend this one. These are bent already, cut up. So what was there? Like a puzzle. Cool. Alright guys, check this out. Me and my brother mocked it up. He drilled out the back hose, but it's kind of hanging right now. But that's how it's gonna go. Kinda. There's a cutout for the tank. It's aired out anyway, so we might have more room than that once it airs up. And there it kind of is. Couldn't find paint, so I'm gonna have to wait for it. But that's how it's gonna be. The front panels right there. But yeah, that's kind of what it's gonna look like. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, here we have the other panel mocked up. I have to clean it. As you can see, it has a bunch of shit where it's been sitting for so long. Anyways, yeah, that's that one. Sleeper one. It is aired out, so it is leaning like that, so it will air up. But yeah, got them mocked up. Go ahead and drill out the holes and get them mounted, and we'll see how it goes from there. Alright guys, check it out. We got this panel finished up. We've already started taking apart the other one, or trying to. Anyways, this one's done. That's what matters. The 2 bolts hold it in the back. Those bolts are already there. We just used them to hold them up. We put another bolt, where's my finger, right there to make it go with the ones that are already there. Double-sided tape on the other side across to hold it on. Bolt there to go with the rivets so you can't tell. And then 2 inside to hold the panels together. And then double-sided tape across the top to hold this one up. The bolt holding it there. Yeah, we gotta clean that shit off. But yeah, that's that. Let me know what y'all think. This one's finished up. All I gotta do is you gotta paint it, but I'm gonna leave it like that for now because I can't find my paint. It's hard to match faded ass purple, so alright, music on pause for now. Alright guys, check it out. Finished up. Panels are marked up. Fucking fly. It's really close, but the bags are down, so once it airs up, I'm gonna have more than enough clearance. It's all good. Same on the other side. I'm gonna make a panel for the back to cover all this, and then a deck plate. That way, get rid of this ugly thing. But for now, here's the panels. Ready to go. I just need to paint them, but like I said, I gotta get the paint first.
No, la Freightliner from warranties from Freightliner. And the truck paper, that's what I saw.
There it goes. And I covered the hole here without having to weld anything like they do at other shops. Same thing here. It's really close, but once it airs up, I'll air up a good amount. Well, there it goes. Finish up the panels. Now I just gotta paint them and I'll be good. Well, that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.